This is Vic. I'm with Crash Construction, and I'm going to compare the Klein stubby multi. I've got the number, 32561, which is $10.98 on Amazon, to the Doyle stubby multi, which is $6.99 at Harbor Freight. The Klein is slightly shorter, but they both have the same exact tools. You got and they both grips are compatible, and the Klein is supposedly made in USA, but it doesn't say it on the screwdriver. And the Doyle is made in Taiwan. Doesn't really matter to me. And they both have probably even swatch change. They both have the small Phillips. I think it's quarter Phillips with a P2. Yeah, quarter Phillips with a quarter flat with the number 2 Phillips, and the 3/16 with a flat and a single with the number 1 Phillips, and I think a number, and it's a 1/4 and 5/16 nut driver, and it's exactly the same on the Klein. It's got the so I've got the 1/4 inch flat with the number 1 Phillips on this one, and then got the 3/16 flat with the number 2 Phillips on this one. Same nut drivers, and probably even change them. All identical. Even this is the Doyle fitting in the Klein, fits perfect, and this is the Klein fitting in the Doyle, also fits perfect. And the Doyle is only $7 plus tax, and the Klein is $11, basically $11 plus tax. And the Doyle has a lifetime guarantee that Klein doesn't, so that I know of. So for a couple dollars cheaper and a lifetime guarantee, Doyle's a good option. But they're exactly the same. They might even be made in the same factory, based on the inserts. So yeah.